Tayo ay maglalaro ng Destroy Grandma, pero ano tong Graveyard Tycoon? Kasi kailangan kasama natin si Eggdog. Pero Eggdog, try kaya natin laruin tong Graveyard Tycoon. Okay, mag-join ka sa akin, Eggdog. Magbabay ka muna kay Grandma. Mamaya na natin lalaruin si Grandma.
Babay ko na.
Huh? Okay. Don't mind the background noises. Parents lang namin. Wow! Try natin mag-max level dito. Okay, so nagbay akong collect graveyard vines. Oh, pwede tayo mag-sell ng vines. Oh. Touching ako.
Ano yung vines?
Vines, yung parang...
Ano tayo?
Oh yeah, mamaya. Uy, naglalag ako. Marami. We can, sell the debris. Tapos, oh shoot. Hindi pala kailangan i-sell na.
Oh my gosh!
Now we don't.
Patay na kuya ko!
Ah! No! Who the heck is this guy? Honestly, I don't know. Okay, I buy the grave.
Oh, okay then.
We can put him over here. R.I.P. I don't know what's her name.
Arbi kuya! Nilibis na!
Oh my gosh! Pwede ka mag-dito graveyard of rest in peace to Harshiu25. Shout out to you.
Yes, that's it. Tingin.
Oh, wait. Oh. That cost money. I thought that...
Daming tao!
Yeah, kaya nga. Yung...
Ay! Ibig niya yung patay?
Hindi naman... Wait. Paano mag-ship up? Paano mag-ship lock? Ship lock! Oh, may zombie! Ano ginagawa ng zombie? Wait, di ko ma-place. Paano ba i-place? Wait, di ko ma-place. No, Diyan. Okay. Not even a dog. You are our parts. Oh, 20% na lang ako. I don't care. Wait, how do I place it? Wait, how do I... Walang ilan mo kaya? Uy, 500! Pwede na tayo bumili ng floor. Berry grape. What? Uy, may doors. Okay, let's berry grape. Talang sila pag may mami sound na. So, what is this? Wait lang, may invisible.
Oliver's dead!
Yeah. Alam mo, may invisible barrier, guys. Look. Ayan o. Kita nyo yun, guys. Nasa-float ako. I think this means I'm gonna float to land. They're doing something there. Now. Oh, hello. What?
Bigay mo nga kay mami.
happening? What's happening?
Pa, ayaw.
Let's solve this bathroom. Even though we have another grave. Why does everybody keep dying? That's not a good thing. Like, why are you're already dead? Why are you dead? Look, he's over here. Wait, look, he's already dead. Like, how does that work? Let's. Oy! Saan siya dito? Alam mo, nandito siya. Basta. Enough na yan, Gab. Upload this. Yan. Naging stone. Mami, pwede po open to? Okay, wait lang. Open ko lang yung pinapabukas.
Anak namin.
Anong anak? Kapatid? Ay, sorry po, ma'am. Okay lang po yan. Ay, saan ka po pupunta, ma'am? Ma'am, pwede po mag-tip ka sa charity para sa charity lang po. 1 penny o $1. Ma'am, saan kayo pupunta, ma'am? Ma'am? Please lang, ma'am. Please. Ma'am. Pupuntahan muna natin yung tycoon ni Eggdog. Ma'am, ano nangyari, ma'am? Ba't wala ka, ma'am? Ma'am, huwag ka din mawala. Ma'am, ano nangyari, ma'am? Okay, huwag tayo OA. Punta tayo sa tycoon ni Eggdog. Tingnan natin kung ano nangyari doon. Huwag na pala. Hindi pala to speed. Pwede tayo mag-teleport home. Yay! Uy, 2,000 na! Wait po kayo na ba ito? This is creepy. I wanna play Destroy Gramo. I wanna play Destroy Gramo. Please. Oh yeah, let's play Jesus game. Okay, let's go. We're playing another game.
We're always.
We're gonna try to play so many games in one video that it's my gadget is gonna explode. Cheese escape. We're gonna try to escape ata. Susubukan namin mag-escape, guys.
Kaso hindi, umiyak na ako.
Don't forget to subscribe.
This is our first video, dog.
First Roblox video.
Yeah. We have no subscribers.
Only one. I don't know who that is. Oh, look at this. Complete the game to open this door. What do you think this is? Oh, wait. Complete the secret ending to open this door. Okay, I don't even know what the secret ending is. Bakit? Oh, that's like... Thank you, sir. Thank you, Venom. I don't know.
The cheese para kuya.
Just join me. Just...
Ayaw mo mag-join. It's not joining.
What? Your Roblox is not Robloxing.
What is that?
What? What is it? Okay, I guess we'll be playing alone today.
No, spelling mo lang.
I-voicemail mo. Ay, i-voice, ano mo na lang. Isa.
Cheese escape.
Oh, it's a chain! Yes. Look at this, guys. Oh. Okay. Yeah? Yeah? Di ka makaka-join. So, may nagbebenta sa school namin. No, no. wanna Shrek, please. Ah, yay, Shrek. Hello. Yay, si Shrek, guys. Si Shrek. I love Mr. Shrek. Eh, ba't mo pinakain yung siso? Hindi talaga totoo si Shrek. Uy, bibili ko extra light. Sundan natin si Shrek. But, kailangan natin manalo. Okay. Open the door. I don't see you. I don't see you. Ay, I see you! Ay, hindi pala. Okay, we're in a different server.
Okay.
Bye, Shrek. See you. Live long and prosper. Wait, it's already been 10 minutes. I think it's very boring for you guys. I'm sorry. How do we get to that? Oh no! I thought that was the mouse. Yo, that's not just my brother. Si Eggdog, guys, nagulat.
Pinapunta na nga eh. Pinapunta
Let's go. Let's go. Second cheese.
Oh my god.
Oh, eight. Ah! Oh, he's not dead. Okay, I don't wanna play this game anymore.
What are you gonna play?
So we're just gonna end the video here. Thank you guys, because
Just play Brookhaven.
no, we will do that in another video.
Peace.
We out.